parts, but it's all built to run Horizon. It's all run to run that. So this computer is a really good computer. It's older model. It's an older computer parts, but it can perform pretty good. We'll do some benchmarks on it and all that, show you all that, what it can perform. I want to get another 8 gig stick. It has 12 gigs in it right now, so I want to get this thing up to 16 gigs. So if we can get this thing up to 16 gigs or higher, I don't know, I think this thing can max out at 16 gigs. Yeah. So we can get this done and get it working. This thing overheats right now, so that's why I need a water cooler, but I found it for really cheap. Me and my friend were talking about it the other day, and I went down to my thrift store yesterday and I found this. So, and it fits my computer, so it's right on for me, right? So I'm gonna get this refurbished and get it all up and running. But you guys, see you in the next video, and have a great day. The next part of this video. So, and the next part of the video is going to be at my friend's house, testing out this. And he'll introduce himself if he wants to. But we're going to test out this and refurbish it. So, and he's going to teach me how to refurbish it. So, see you in the next video.
Hello, I'm Matthew Walker. This is a project to help Kim, otherwise known as Codingmonkey, to get her computer up and running. This requires refurbishment of a Corsair H55 water cooler. The hoses will not be reused. I have 2 others from a previous project that were surplus, which will fit this one quite nicely. But everything has to be taken apart, fan removed, radiator removed. That will be replaced, and then clean out the pump. Appears to be some surplus padding from a former project or for the fan. Sometimes these hoses can be a little stiff to remove. There it goes. Drain everything out of it. everything's out of here. With that done, I can cut the other line off. Sometimes these things come rather embedded after 10 years. Radiator's free, could be flushed and reused possibly. And the pump has to be all torn apart. That will be the next part.